Hi, I'm Jay with Classic Kitchens, Etc., and welcome to our latest kitchen remodel. Let me show you around. So let me start off with the apron front sink. This is our Kohler Whitehaven sink. This is my favorite sink. You guys heard me talk about it all the time. I love it because it has its own manufactured edge here that covers the cut of the cabinetry. In the field, you're never gonna get the cabinets to be cut exactly right, but in the in manufacturing, you can manufacture this sink to have an almost perfect edge on it. So that's what gives you this really nice clean line here on the end. We have Quartz countertops. These are from a manufacturer or importer, Arizona Tile, and it is a Metropolis Grey. It's a honed slab. Now, honed slabs sometimes get a little bit tricky with cleaning. They show, a little more oil and some things like that on them. We have some custom window frames that the client actually did, and then we tiled around it with a herringbone 3x6 brick. Client added these shelves. These are actually natural finish walnut shelving units. We've got the dishwasher here. We got some big bank of drawers right here. And then we have our 240 volt convection oven here. Something to consider if you're doing a convection oven, you will need to run 240. If you don't have 240 in the house, you might have to do what's called a home run. That means going from the panel all the way to here. If you have 240 already, or if you have a convection oven already, good chance that you're running 240, and then it would just have to be moved. One thing that I really like about this design is this really long countertop. This used to be the dining room over here. Removing the wall and pushing all this countertop over into this space really opened up the whole space and gives it a really, really high-end look. And then in here we did some rollouts, so even another option, rollouts for pots and pans, things like that. Just gives you more storage options for this space. I'm actually standing in the place where we took out this wall. We have a drop ceiling here, and this had a wall going across, and then with a little pass through here that connected the dining room with the kitchen. Now that it's all one space, we wanted the windows to match. This window was smaller and taller, and this window was different as well. So we framed them in the same way, ordered windows the same size, and that way, because we knew the spaces were now going to be adjoined, wanted them to look symmetrical. They have a really nice, easy slide mechanism to them, and an easy locking mechanism as well. These are the Tuscany windows from Milgard, white on white, meaning white interior, white exterior. These are both XO sliders. So XO meaning X is the active panel, O is the fixed panel. And it's always looking at it from the outside. So, if you're on that, standing up on the outside looking, this will be your X, this will be your O. That's called an XO. At the end of the kitchen, we have a microwave oven and some cabinets that have routed out for glass so you can see the inside of them. We also did this nice little wraparound counter with some seating here with the Quartz countertops. And we added some metal corbels underneath it so that they're pretty hidden. Sometimes wood corbels, you gotta make them real big. These ones are very shallow. This used to be a banister and railing, and we took all that out and framed it in like a wall so we could put this cap on it that allowed us to make this a closed-in space. So now we can have our little eating bar here. Yeah, so this becomes a little coffee center, beverage area, and then obviously with the routed out for glass, clear glass, a nice place to have all your nice dishes. On the opposite side of the kitchen, we have a peninsula. We had to keep a post on the side just because of the structure of this drop ceiling. We couldn't eliminate it altogether. We built the custom hood with a 36-inch range, 6 burners, and another convection oven. Flanked on both sides with rollouts. This one is a spice rollout. That's a really nice rollout with a 9-inch insert. And then we have our other 9-inch rollout that has, or insert, that has little cups for all the utensils, so you don't have to have that on the countertop as well. So that's kind of cool. We have pendants on both sides that gives it just a little bit nicer look. And then we got these cool bulbs inside of it. Love the way that it turned out. We also had a very flat panel door right here for the pantry, and we changed that out to doors that match the rest of the house with some black handles. Matched it with the black handles of the cabinetry. You know, the white on black, it's a very stark contrast. This is kind of a Cape Cod traditional style house. From the exterior of the house to the interior of the house, design-wise, it fits perfect. For the floor, we have a client-provided 7.5-inch wood plank floor. I believe this is an alder. It's got a medium stain on it, kind of like a sable type stain on it. Contrasts the white cabinetry very well, grounds the space in warmth. I mean, it does a lot for the design of the space. It's a hand-scraped wood. I believe we ended up having to glue it down. We had to rebuild some of the subfloor and glue it down. It was tough, but we got it done, and it turned out fantastic. So, this was a wall originally, and we didn't want a wall. We wanted something else. So we came up with this. But we wanted the whole space to be open. That's what we were trying to do, all right? We took out the wall. We had to keep in this post, I think I talked about before, but who knows? And so then we ended up adding a little bit extra onto this soffit here, this drop ceiling. And we added some extra on the countertop here so we can make an eating bar on the back side of here. So that's kind of cool. So now when you walk in the front door, as you saw in the intro, you see right through the whole kitchen, where before this kitchen was closed off like crazy. It had a wall here, it had a wall there, everything was different. So now, very nice and open, you walk in, you know, you got this cool little feature here. We had to build the custom back panel on it. This whole thing is custom. You guys know I do custom stuff, so that's just what we did. And then we just put a little curb on this back wall, but other than that, it's basically just all quartz countertop. That concludes our latest kitchen remodel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Kitchen faucet, we have this little industrial look to it. This has a little, spring coil here and has a little clip here. So it's a little more of your commercial style, although it is in a polished chrome. So then it gives it a really high-end look to it too. So it's a little of both, a little commercial grade look, and then also having the high mirrored finish on it gives it a really cool look. That means it's on, right?
Red light?
Yeah. I believe they are the, oh shoot, I don't remember which ones they are. They're either Trinsic or they're Tuscany, depending. Yeah. They're either Trinsic or Tuscany. At the end of the kitchen. That's what we wanted. This actually had a wall, I believe. Oh God, I don't remember. Anyways, never mind. On the other side of the kitchen, we built a custom hood. Custom hood, Custom hood surround, custom hood, okay, what do you call this thing? Yeah, we built the custom hood for the hood insert. Yeah, there's a name for it. I can't think of it right now. Yeah, anyways. We have our 30-inch range here with 6 burners and, or this might be a 36. Crap. Yeah, I think this is a 36. Yeah. I'm standing right. Oh. Clap on, clap off, the clapper. I'm standing right in the middle of time and space. No. I'm standing right in the place where there was a wall, or there was once a wall, and had a little doorway here. Did I already talk about this? Oh Jesus! What was I doing on this side?
You talked about the fact that we moved the wall here.
Oh, here. Okay. I don't know. Hold on. Let me then realign this because No. Keep going. I just want to yeah. Don't worry, I cut out your camera. Okay, just keep rolling. Keep rolling. Let's keep rolling. All right. How many more times can I do that?
Oh, I stopped it right as you did guns. Hopefully I recorded it.
Yeah, I got it on this.
I love that last little bit.
I got finger guns. And that's it. I mean, what else do you want? I don't know.